Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to do Yorkshire puddings the right way and how to measure it out properly. So we're going to do equal quantities. So what you need is 2 glasses. First we're going to crack an egg into 1 glass. So once we've cracked the egg into the glass, we can see what level it's at. And then we want to do the flour to that level and the milk to that level. So we're going to put the flour to the level of the egg. Just going to shake it a little bit just so that flour gets down and we can measure it. There we go, it's just right, that. So it's to the level of the egg. So we put the flour in and then we set that aside. I'm going to do the milk to the same level as the egg. But if the milk is a little bit over, it's fine. Same with the flour, if it's just a little bit over, it's fine. So we put the milk in the bowl, and then we put the egg in the bowl. Then we put a little bit of salt. So we've got a little bit of pink Himalayan salt. We're going to put a little bit of ground pepper, and then we're going to give it a whisk together. And it's a good amount of seasoning in. We're just going to give it a really good whisk, get the lumps out, combine it, make it nice and light. As you can see, I'm going to give it a really good whisk. And then what we're going to do with the mixture is put it in a jug, a bowl, and then let it rest, preferably for 12 to 24 hours before we use it. We're going to pour it straight into the jug. Then we're going to cling film it and let it rest. And that is the simple way of weighing out your Yorkshire pudding mix. This is how we cook the Yorkshire puddings. So we put a little bit of oil in. You can use vegetable oil, olive oil, or you can use beef fat lard. It's up to you. But we put a little bit in the bottom of it. And then we're going to transfer it into the air fryer or oven. And then we're going to get it smoking hot. So we've transferred it into the air fryer and now we're going to get it hot. Yorkshire pudding mix in. It's 1, 2, 3. Air fryer. And then it's at 200 for 20 minutes, then check. So these are the finished Yorkshire puddings. They're absolutely amazing. Just done in the air fryer. You can do in the oven as well. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you very much for watching the videos.